This is the CFMoto 800 MTX. Parallel twin, 95 horsepower standard. So this is a adventure bike, off-road bike. You have dual caliper, dual discs, and dual calipers. Monoblocks as well. Liquid cooled, LED lights, nice colours, big fuel tank.
60-40 road to off-road.
Should give you pretty good MPG and decent amount of performance, but it is Chinese, so you're going to be wary, really.
So
just to show you what I mean.
Obviously, this has 90 horsepower. That has 42.
I mean, for me, that has better sitting position. That seat is it's fine. But when you sit, the handlebar is fine.
It's not very good.
Maybe it's
even
time
worse.
to get used to it, but that feels way better.
Yeah, for sure.
Big TFT though, big TFT screen, cruise control,
7-inch touchscreen dash.
be able to change different modes, go through the TFT, and then starter. Switch gear actually does feel quite good. I will give CFMoto that. Like, you can definitely feel that with the gloves. And the seat has like a texture to it going off-road, so to give you more feel of the seat as you're standing up on the pegs. Affordable, mid-weight adventure bike.